This shebeen, situated at the corner of Isaac Kalongari and Kindergarten streets in an area commonly known as the Maraba Stop, has been in operation since last December. The community alleges that when the owner, Martin Chimino, started with the development last year June, he claimed that he was building a house. According to them, the owner later claimed that he wanted to establish a kindergarten and they had no objection. The community was, however, caught by surprise when Chimino opened a shebeen in December, which they claim is making noise and affecting their children. The community argues that there are already 5 shebeens in the area and don't want more than that.
We have submitted a petition to the councillor, and that seems to have fallen on deaf ears. Now we have decided to take another step, and that's why we have come here. Dear police leader, we are pleading with you to attend to our concerns and, where possible, hand this petition to high authorities. That's our plea.
The outlet, which is situated in a riverbed, is also placed in front of a pensioner's house, blocking the entrance for vehicles at the gate. Kadugura Police Station Commander, Chief Inspector Ismail Basson, received the petition.
In general, shebeens, it's just a problem in Karatura, everywhere. And as much as somebody is having a license, we also ask them to respect the immediate neighbors, meaning that neighbors should give consent for a shebeen to be opened up at a given place.
Kadugura Constituency Councillor Ambrosius Kanji has on numerous occasions tried to solve the problem but did not succeed.
The community have forwarded their complaint to my office. I tried to forward them to the relevant office. I also have organized a meeting with the owner of the business. We are not yet getting there. I'm still very positive that I just want to use this opportunity to call upon the owner of the business to come closer to the people, come into consultation through my office, and we can have a peaceful solution.